What the fuck? Yeah, this totally isn't for me. I just looked up while I was playing around on my laptop and it said something about turn to channel 70. This exactly is what I'm trying to say. With this Comcast system, it does not jump to a regular channel. You have to do it yourself. And it doesn't even say EAS. And that speaker's the only thing the sound comes out of since we have surround sound. I have no idea. Well, Center's not that far from here. Alright, folks, so that was out of the blue. Anything else, I'll let you know.